Hi everyone. Well, as a doctor, I don't usually endorse supplements unless they are backed by solid scientific evidence. However, this specific product, known as creatine monohydrate, has truly caught my attention due to its extensive research supporting its benefits, from enhancing muscle growth and athletic performance to potentially improving cognitive function. This supplement offers a range of advantages that are hard to ignore. Now I'll tell you some science behind it. Um, well, the benefits of creatine monohydrate are, first of all, let's talk about muscle mass and strength, for which it is very famous. It increases muscle fiber size. This creatine promotes muscle growth by increasing the water content in muscle cells, which leads to increased muscle size. Then it enhances strength. Regular creatine use boosts overall strength, allowing for better performance in weightlifting and other resistance exercises. Then for athletes, it boosts high intensity exercise. Creatinine enhances ATP production, providing quick energy for high intensity, short duration activities such as sprinting, jumping, and heavy lifting. Then also it improves recovery. It helps with muscle recovery after intense workouts, reducing muscle damage and soreness. And in addition to this benefit for the muscle, there are additional great benefits, especially cognitive benefits, which I should talk. It improves memory. There are some studies which suggest that creatine can enhance memory and cognitive function, particularly in older adults. And it supports brain function by increasing brain creatine level. It may help improve brain energy metabolism, and counteract mental fatigue. Okay, and then there is a benefit in bone health. It increases bone mineral density. When it is combined with the resistance training, it can improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Then there is another benefit of cardiovascular health. Especially, it improves heart function and reduces homocysteine levels. Homocysteine is a substance which is linked to heart disease. Okay, then it can be used as anti-aging and antioxidant with the antioxidant properties. It reduces oxidative stress, and mm, the thing which I wanted to talk is that it helps to reduce age-related muscle loss. Okay, then I'll talk about hydration. It increases water content in muscle cell, aiding in overall hydration. Then it also improves heat tolerance. It improves body's ability to handle heat stress, benefiting athletes training in hot conditions. Now I'll tell you some side effects. Well, normally it is very safe, but some people may experience very mild side effects, especially during the loading phase. Okay, loading phase I'll tell you later. Okay, what is loading phase? So the side effects are bloating. Sometimes people experience increased water retention in muscle that can cause bloating, and there are some people who have complained about stomach cramps or discomfort. Also, there is a like little bit of complaints regarding weight gain initially due to water retention. But these side effects are very minimal. Okay. Now I will tell you about the dosage. It should be taken as, like, for example, you can take loading dose, which is a high dose, like 20 to 25 grams per day. You can divide it into 4 to 5 doses for 5 to 7 days. This actually saturates your muscles with creatine quickly. Then in maintenance phase, you can take 3 to 5 grams per day. Okay. This is the standard long-term dose to maintain elevated creatine levels in muscles. Also, if you don't want to take as a loading dose, then you can simply start with a maintenance phase that is 3 to 5 grams per day. So, personally, at the end, I should say that it's a very well-researched supplement with numerous benefits for muscle growth, athletic performance, cognitive function, and overall health. While it is generally safe, starting with the recommended dosage and consulting with a healthcare provider can help ensure it's the right choice for you. Well, I'm a qualified doctor, so this product is strongly recommended. Okay, and this is basically, I just ordered it online, and I got this creatine powder on a discount. So and I will tell you the name of the channel where I got discount in the video description. Okay, thank you very much.